Hi everyone and welcome back. Are you tired of getting spam calls on your iPhone? Whether it's telemarketers, scam calls, or random unknown numbers, they can be really annoying. The good news is that Apple has added a built-in feature that can help reduce these unwanted calls. Let me show you how to set it up. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS because this feature is only available on newer iOS versions. Once your phone is updated, go back to the main settings screen. Tap the search bar at the top, type Phone, and open the phone settings. Now scroll down and tap Screen Unknown Callers. Here you'll see a few different options. The most useful one is Ask Reason for Calling. When someone who isn't in your contacts calls you, your iPhone will automatically ask them to state their name and reason for calling before your phone rings. You'll then see their response on your screen and can decide whether to answer, ignore, or reply with a message. If you want even stronger protection, choose Silence Unknown Callers instead. This will automatically silence calls from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts. The calls won't ring, but they'll still appear in your recent calls and voicemail. You can also turn on call filtering if it's available on your device. This helps organize unknown and spam calls separately, making them easier to review later. And if a specific number keeps bothering you, simply tap Blocked Contacts in the phone settings and add that number to your block list. That's it. These simple settings can help reduce spam calls and make your iPhone much less distracting. I hope this video helped. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.